Here's something that I didn't know about online business that has completely blown my mind. And that is the fact that you can promote proven digital products and get 100% of the resale rights, which means you make 100% profit. So I want you to imagine that you're promoting something that what would you rather have? Would you rather have 10%, 20%, 30%, or 100%? Well, the good thing is that it's crazy because I didn't have to create anything. I didn't have to test and hope somebody wants to buy. It's already a proven in-demand product. So when you get the resale rights on a digital product, you get 100% of the profits, which means this: you're paid directly into your bank account. You don't have to have a company wait and write you out a check, hold on to part of your money, hold on to, your commissions, or issue you a measly percentage, right? So if you get a customer every day, you get paid daily, right? You get paid daily. So we've been able to take these blueprints that are proven to work. We've been able to do that, number one. And two, it's not really a question if you can make the money. The only question is, will you follow the step-by-step guidance and the blueprint so that you can learn the skills to be able to do this and make daily pay, right? Because in our community, it's proven. So we've taken these blueprints and we turned them into a 2-hour workday. And you can learn the skills to make $600 a day, leveraging the digital product and the blueprint, and be able to do that. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, go ahead and put more info in the comments. I would absolutely love to share that with you. Have a great day.